So yeah, this is what you do. This is what you do in Minecraft. Wait lang. Wait. Kill. At E. Then this. Type wolf. I think that's it. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is do not spawn a sheep. We are distracting it. So first what you want to do is place a lot of things here. What's that called again? Wolves? They already know what they're doing, so actually saw this funny trend. Like you can spawn a lot of wolves. And just look at this. By the way guys, I'm on iPad. Until they're screaming bugs, glitches. Wait. You want to play this the sheep, all the dogs are falling. And it's actually a life hack because they can actually turn and then make a circle. That's very awesome. But no time for that, we gotta spawn a sheep. Now watch them. See, it's funny how they survive and the other ones didn't. And also, I made the Squid Game doll checking the time. Yes, it is very fun. Now I created a duck. Yes. Bee escaped. Where is the bee? The bee escaped. Cause now what you're gonna do is get all this. This is not a tutorial how to build something. You can get an elytra and this. Oh wait. You can get an elytra and wait. You're already an elytra. This is not any tutorial. This is something. I'm just telling you what to do when Roblox is down, because I really miss Roblox, and all the things that Roblox said are not true. And ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What? How do I use it again? Oh yeah. See? I know what to do. That's a shelter box. How much things doesn't even have to hit? Wait, let's try that again. Some dogs have a pro MLG. They always have a pro MLG though. So now we are gonna play the wolf spawn egg and of course the sheep spawn egg. So you can actually copy this. I'm gonna give you some time here. So you can just pause it and go to Minecraft and just make it. Let's just place the wolves. Let's play the wolf. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's actually more Oh wait, what? They're all falling off because these don't fall. Dog, I meant wolf, do not. Huh? What? There's no sheep here. Anyway, keep going until the screen is reached. Okay, now that is glitching, we're just gonna place one sheep here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, look at the sound, the rage. Look at the rage. The rage, look at the rage. What? Look how much dogs are mad because it's like circling all around. See? There's actually tinkling dogs all around. There's actually what you can actually do in Minecraft, you can do a lot of things here because watch this. I am going to MLG water bucket clutch. Look at this. MLG water bucket clutch. No elytra or anything. MLG water bucket going up, check. But it's still going up. Okay. Ready? And the mob is there. Wait, hold on. All the mobs are gone. What the? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh! MLG completed. MLG is completed. Wait, let's do it. Let's do it another time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Water bucket MLG. Now let's clean this. That was the best one ever. I mean, that's it for today, guys. Goodbye.